Hi Dress Your Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a blender with a yummy fruit smoothie. So let's get started. To draw this cute blender, let's first start by drawing the lid. So I'm basically going to draw a rounded off rectangle. So I'll just start about right here and I'm going to go straight across. So I'll say about that wide, and I'm just going to round off my corners here and then round it off again. And same thing here. Just trying to make it a little bit softer. So, and then I'm going to go right across. So nice thin rectangle. There. Now that we have that, let's come to the top, and I'll say about right here. I'm just going to start with a soft angle, and I'm going to bring it across. I just want this nice and centered, so say about right there. I'm going to go ahead and bring it. So we need to end about right here. So about the same area on the other side and come down. Then at the top, one more layer, we need to draw this little top right here. So just draw a straight line, come straight across, and we want once again to center it, so about right here. There, so we have the lid of our blender. Then from there, we're going to come in just a little bit, and we're going to need to start to draw angle line all the way down for the body of our blender. So I'm just going to start on this side, and I'm just going to bring this angle, and I'm not making my blender too tall or thin, so it's just a little bit cuter, and I don't really have that much vertical space. So say about right here, and then I'll just start to bring it in there. And so I'm just gonna slowly try to match my other side here. Just go back and forth, just take a look, and let's bring it down. And I'm gonna bring it down all the way to the same height. There. Okay, so now that we have this little curve in, we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a straight line. There. So at the body, and then I'm going to come in here and top right here, I'm just going to draw a straight line across once again. And this is basically our lid coming into the glass part. And then right here, we're going to draw a thin line. Just follow whatever shape you drew for your body. And we're just going to give it a little bit of space on the side to make it look like glass. And we're just going to bring it all the way down. Then I'll just go ahead and taper it in. So same thing here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw the base. So I'm going to come about right here. Just going to draw a straight line and here, and then go all the way across once again. And then we're going to draw a curve coming down from the motor part of our blender. I'm just trying to simplify it, so it's just a very simple little base right here. So say about right here, and then round it off. And about right there, round it off, and then connect with a straight line across. There. And then we're going to come down about right here on both sides, and we're just going to draw these tiny little feet for a base. So same thing over here. There. Okay, and then we need to draw, say, just simplify, draw a big circle about right here for a big knob right in the center. Got one circle in, and then I'm going to come in and draw another circle. There, clean up my circle. And then let's draw some lines right here just for some detail. So however you want to decorate your blender, and I'm gonna, before I forget, I'm gonna put a big heart right here in the center to make it my Draw So Cute blender. There. And then now to, oh, I almost forgot. We need to draw a handle. So I'm gonna come about right here, and I'm just gonna draw a straight line across. And about right here, I'm gonna round it off for the handle. And then we're gonna bring it straight down. Just gonna look at my camera. Sure, about there, nice and straight. And then we're gonna angle it in. And then let's go ahead and thicken it up. So just follow your outside, and right here, we're gonna curve it in. So we just want the same thickness all the way around. That's our goal. So that's pretty much it if you just wanted to draw a blender. But today at Draw So Cute, we need to make it a Draw So Cute blender. So let's bring it to life. I'm going to come about right here, and let's say about right here. I'm just going to draw this kind of wave going across, just to make it look like there's something inside and it's very vibrant and moving. And then we're going to add some Draw So Cute eyes. So I'll say about right here, go ahead and add nice size circle. Then we're going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. And then let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So hopefully you love this blender, and if you do and you want me to bring some other appliances to life for you, let me know in the comments below. I was thinking maybe I could do a rice cooker next, but let me know. Maybe an oven, toaster. The ideas are endless, right? Okay, and then same thing. There. And I'm going to come above each eye, just draw a soft curve. And then, of course, we need a sweet smile. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and curve and loop around for a nice, cute tongue and cap it off. And to make it even more cute and add some details, I thought it'd be really cute to add some fruit here that hasn't been blended so that we know it's a fruit smoothie. So if you want to do that, you can come about right here and just add all kinds of fruit that you love that you might want to put in your smoothie. So like say maybe a strawberry. I'm just going to add in these random shapes, and then when we color it, then you could kind of figure out maybe what it is. It could be peach, pineapple. Just to be able to add some color, some circles, whatever you like to add. So hopefully this just inspires you. Some random shapes, maybe a circle. I don't know, maybe a kiwi. And so whatever color you color it will determine what it becomes, but something like that. And maybe some circles just to make it look extra cute. And you can add some white specks here as well. And when you color it, you can either do it kind of like a rainbow color, maybe one solid color. It's all up to you. But I really hope you love this cute little blender with a fruit smoothie inside. And I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.